Sorry guys, my earlier video ended in 10 minutes, so I'm continuing this over here. So I was saying that that was a slap on the wrist, that was nothing, and it should have been more. Just like this admonishment, that wouldn't do nothing. So that would encourage him to do more fraud with other litigants, other clients, in other defendants or other plaintiffs. This doesn't make any sense. This doesn't make any sense to me. And she's saying she's exceptionally lenient to me. Wow. So this was on May 5th. Let's go to May 7th, which was prepared on May 9th, but this happened on May 7th. Okay. So you can read all this ruling. Okay. I'm just trying to make this video as short as possible. So what does this say? See again, this court cannot hear a motion to a person from the vexatious litigant list. The local rules for Department 1 of the Los Angeles Superior Court provide that any request to remove a person from the vexatious litigant shall be submitted to the judicial officer who declared the party a vexatious litigant. Okay. So this is just basically saying that she has reserved a date with Marky Wyndham, which is in Criminal Justice Court, 210 West Temple Street. The name of the court is Clara Shortridge in Department 45. But I don't understand. When I called his department and the criminal department, they said they cannot reserve any dates. That's what they said. And now I don't know how he agreed. So, but this, yeah, I have no idea, guys. Anyways, so let's go to the May 12th hearing, the most latest one. So this is the May 12th hearing. Request to record. She denied my request to record. The reason I requested this request to record the hearing, because if I am appealing it or going to a higher court, they need some proof, and I don't have any transcripts. That was the reason. And how she replied, she said, if I'm going to record something, then she will issue a warrant against me. What? Like warrant against me? What? Like if I wanted to record it without her permission, why would I formally request in filling up paperwork and going to the court and then like presenting it to the court clerk? This is so biased. And we see making his oral motion to disqualify. So on May 12th, I disqualified her because you know the obvious reasons. And she admonished me again. And she again says, mere self-representation is not ground for exceptionally lenient treatment. Guys, I've shown you all of her rulings. You tell me in which ruling from ex parte to the motion, in which ruling was she lenient? Forget about exceptionally lenient. In which ruling was she even lenient to me? She's opposite of being a lenient, and she's like, I don't know what drama this is going on over here. Exceptionally lenient treatment except when a particular rule provides otherwise. Oh my God. She denied all of my ex partes, all of my motions. She is calling me a vexatious litigant again and again when she knows I was declared a vexatious litigant by trick. Mr. Brainard did not send me the motion. The judge Marky Wyndham did not listen to me. 4 out of 5 cases shown in the vexatious litigant motion were settled. One was never filed. And then this. On April 1st, 2025 at 3:56 p.m. with reservation ID 80914, you can read it. Plaintiff failures to follow proper procedure led the court to believe that his initial motion for April 22nd was off calendar as there was no such hearing. You tell me, Cindy Pánuco, why didn't you ask your clerk to give me a call to clarify? Huh? I reserved 2 ex partes, one for March 20th, another one for March 24th, which was continued to March 26th. And I called the clerk on both these dates, and I also appeared on LA Court Connect on March 26th. Why didn't they point it out? Why didn't they call me? Everything was clear. I vacated the March 22nd, the April 22nd date, because if I continued with that date, I Mr. Brainerd wouldn't have got 16 days as per the California Code of Civil Procedures, and I am um, following all of the California Code of Civil Procedures. You haven't told me a single California Code of Civil Procedure which which I have violated. You haven't told me a single code or law which I have violated. Okay. To find the instant operative motions which was wrongly noticed for April 22nd. Judge Cindy Pánuco, no motion. I already sent you a reply. No motion had the date April 22nd. Every motion had the date April 24th. Okay, if you cannot differentiate between that, you are not supposed to be a judge. Please quit. This and plaintiff ongoing disregard for court rules. Disregard for what court rules? I always respected you when I addressed you as a Your Honor. I always spoke with respect. Why you were lying? I don't understand. Required this court to exercise its inherent authority to subject plaintiff to a pre-filing order on May 5th. While the court recognizes that plaintiff is self-represented, mere self-representative is not a ground for exceptionally lenient treatment except when a particular rule. So she's repeating again. Guys, you tell me. Where is the exceptionally, forget exceptionally lenient. Where is the lenient treatment over here? Where? There is no lenient treatment, guys. There is no lenient treatment. She rejected all of my ex partes and motions. She put a pre-filing order on me. She put an order on show cause on me. She rejected my vexatious litigant to vacate that vexatious litigant status on me. She rejected that. She rejected my motion to vacate the sanctions ruling. She rejected that. She blocked me from e-filing, not to drive to the court to file. I have to drive, I have to pay for the gas, for my time, for the parking, I have to go through the security, then I have to climb up the ladders, then I have to print those documents, then I have to present it to the court, and I have to get it stamped, and then I have to send it to the other opposing party. So based on all this I've shown you, where is the lenient treatment? Where? She's insulting me again and again, calling me a vexatious litigant, when I am not even in the vexatious litigant list. My last name has been spelled incorrectly. VL100 is defective, backdated. She's insulting me again and again. She have rejected all of my motions, all of my ex partes. She has blocked my e-filing. She wants me to drive, spend my whole day in the court and on the roads. And when on the opposite side, Mr. Christopher Brainerd is enjoying his life, he can e-file, he can e-serve, and he's just admonished for a serious offense of real estate fraud and other frauds which he has committed. So I am just trying to follow all the law. I know I am self-represented, but in California you can self-represent yourself. And I am following all of the court procedures. She is not citing any law which I have broken. So guys, you guys tell me. You guys decide and let me know what rule I have broken, guys. What rule I have broken, and where is she exceptionally lenient, or where is she lenient at all? You guys decide and let me know. Please comment. Please. And I need some help from the news channels and the media. CNN, CNBC, BBC, any of the news channels watching this. I need your help. I'll give you the documents. I will show you what is going on in the LA Superior Court, Street Courthouse, and then you decide. Thank you for watching the video. Please comment and please connect.